Alright, so I got a number of parts in. I got a fuse cover for the car because apparently I don't think this car came with one, or if it did, I don't know what I did with the cover, so we're going to go ahead and use that. I got my old hoses here. I've got empty bag. I've got my new hoses there, so we're going to switch the clamps over to the new ones. And then I also have my left and right transmission gears for the top that we'll be swapping out. That won't happen today, so we can go ahead and throw these in here for now. So yeah, so it took a couple days, about 10 to get the hoses in, so we'll get that swapped out, put on. So my goal for today, I am still feeling pretty tired from my medicine, so the goal today will be to get the hoses in, make sure everything's tight, and then start putting coolant in the system, and then I will probably stop before I start trying to bleed the system. Just feel, depends on how I feel later. Yeah, this new medicine, as soon as I start to exert myself, it just fatigues me out, and I get real lightheaded. So we're going to just take it slow and easy. So first thing we're going to do is swap over the clamps from the old hoses to the new hoses, and then see about crawling under the car and getting them in. Alright, well, I'm going to say we have a slight problem. This hose has a curve in it. This hose does not. This hose is curved here. This hose is not. Now, this part says three-way water, three-way hose, 2003 Boxster. That's what I'm working on. So this part does not look the same. So I'm going to test it, and hopefully it fits. If not, I'm going to have to call Pelican Parts, because that's where this came from, because I don't believe this is the right hose. Everything else looks right, but not these two hoses here. Well, actually three, because it doesn't curve like it's supposed to. So even if I was to put it that way, I don't think it's going to work. And this is actually the one I need to put on first because it's harder to get to. So we may not be doing much today. Well, let me crawl under here and see what I got. All right, well, after lining this one up to see where it went, this one here goes nowhere near where it needs to go. The top one is fine, but that is it. The other two aren't close, so I'm gonna have to find out what's going on with that and send it back. So I guess the only thing I'll do is switch over the clamps for the other one, and because if I put this other one in its place, it makes this one almost impossible to get in and out, so it's not even worth trying. All right, well, that was a short day. Now it's try to get the right parts in.